This high-definition portable chimney inspection camera integrates a lightweight body, a comfortable shoulder strap, and a manual cable winding mechanism, making it extremely easy to carry and operate. It features an 8-inch HD screen and a high-performance camera. The cable is available in lengths of 20 to 50 meters with a meter counting function, enabling precise detection of internal defects. When paired with an optional extension pole, it can easily inspect high areas, achieving versatile use with a single device. It is an intelligent and efficient solution for various industrial inspection scenarios. 2-megapixel high-definition rotatable camera. Features a highly transparent and impact-resistant sapphire lens for sharper imaging. Equipped with 4 high-brightness LED beads, allowing adjustable light intensity. The camera head can be rotated freely to achieve full coverage. And manual focus enables easy adjustment for near and far details. Adopts a detachable connector design. Easily change different types of cameras. Connect 33mm HD pan tilt rotation rotatable camera. Pan 360-degree rotation tilt 180-degree rotation. Connect 45mm dual view rotatable camera. Side camera 360-degree rotation. Connect 50mm HD pan tilt rotatable camera. Pan 360-degree rotation tilt 180-degree rotation. Optional extension pole for securing the camera to inspect high places. Point for -6 meters, customizable upon request. Equipped with camera protection bracket to effectively avoid collision with furnace wall. 8-inch high-definition waterproof controller with 1-key power-on for quick startup. Built-in 6,800 mAh lithium battery supports up to 5 hours of continuous operation. Detachable battery compartment design allows easy replacement of spare batteries, ideal for prolonged outdoor use. Silicone backlit buttons ensure clear visibility of functions even in dark environments. Includes a 32GB branded USB flash drive for plug-and-play convenience. The controller supports photo capture, video recording, audio recording, video playback, and even taking photos during video recording. Adjustable support stand angle for flexible viewing perspectives. 5mm diameter high tensile cable with customizable length. Side-mounted camera storage slot for securing the camera during movement. Integrated and compact product design for easy portability comes with a shoulder strap for hands-free operation.